So this might be a deviation from the typical car content, but NewAir reached out and asked me to review this beverage cooler. This is their AB-850B model. A lot of people like to put these in garages and stuff, so I guess it's kind of related in that way. So welcome to the video, and this is what we'll be looking at today. If you'd like one of these for yourself, I'll have a code in the description where you can get 20% off. The code is CARGUY20. First of all, the packaging is superb. This made it from California to Pennsylvania without any damage whatsoever. You can move the shelves around to fit your preferences. You can fit 84 cans. In here, 84 regular cans, that is. Of course, you can fit your pounders. You can fit 24 ounces if you adjust the shelving a little bit. You can fit bottles. And yeah, you have a lot of options to fill this with many varieties, or you can just load it up with 84 regular cans. I don't know how many 40s it's gonna fit. I'm not gonna be drinking 40. You can fit about 3 rows. You can fit about 15 pounders down here. If you want your bottles to stand up, if you're a bottle drinker. There we go. Fit about 5 across there. And then you can have some cans. That in here. And this is deep. There's plenty of room back there to just load it up. Same down here. You can anything you can imagine. You can do it in here. You also have an LED light up here and the temperature control. So let's see what kind of noise it makes when it's plugged in. Oh, it's whisper quiet. They come in all different sizes. This measures 17 inches wide by about 24¼ inches tall and 18 3/4 inches deep. Whether you're looking to get a gift for somebody or to get something for yourself, the NewAir beverage coolers are a great idea. for your shop, your house, your garage, your bedroom, your basement, whatever you want.
That's my opinion!
If you'd like one of these for yourself, I'll have a code in the description where you can get 20% off. The code is CARGUY20. CARGUY 20. So go check that out. I'll have a link for the product in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helped you make a choice.